हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, पिछले लेक्चर में हमने इनडिटर्मिनेट फॉर्म्स की अलग अलग एल हॉस्पिटल रूल किया 0/0 फॉर्म को इवैल्यूएट करने के लिए और कुछ एग्जांपल्स की। आज हम उन्हीं एग्जांपल्स को आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे। फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज इवैल्यूएट लिमिट x टेंडिंग टू 0 e raised to x minus e raised to minus x minus 2 times log of 1 plus x upon x sin x, राइट। तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि इट इज, सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे एक रूल लगाएंगे जो इसको थोड़ा सिंपल बना देगा। वी नो दैट लिमिट x टेंडिंग टू 0 sin x upon x, that is 1. This we know from class plus 2, right? So this can be written as, this limit can be written as limit x tending to 0 e raised to x minus e raised to minus x minus 2 times log of 1 plus x upon x sin x, x से मल्टीप्लाई किया है तो x से डिवाइड करेंगे, राइट। तो इस फंक्शन और इस फंक्शन में कोई फर्क नहीं है क्योंकि हमने x से मल्टीप्लाई अगर किया है तो x से डिवाइड भी कर दिया, राइट। तो इसका फायदा ये होगा, नाउ वी नो दैट लिमिट ऑफ दिस होल फंक्शन इज इक्वल टू लिमिट ऑफ दिस फंक्शन इनटू लिमिट ऑफ this function. So this is equal to limit x tending to 0 e raised to x minus e raised to minus x minus 2 times log of 1 plus x upon x square, right? And what is limit of this function? It is 1, because if limit of sin x upon x is 1, limit of its reciprocal will be 1 upon 1. And what is limit of reciprocal? Limit of x upon sin x. So limit of this function is 1. So into 1 and nothing will happen here. Okay, so now it is which form? As x will approach to 0, this will approach to 1. As x will approach to 0, this will approach to 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Minus 2, log of 1, that is also 0. So this is 0, 0 upon 0 form, right? So by L'Hospital rule, this limit is equal to e raised to x minus, this is 0 upon 0 form. ऊपर नीचे डेरिवेटिव लेंगे, e raised to x plus e raised to minus x minus 2 upon 1 plus x upon 2x. Now what is the limit? 1 plus 1 minus 2, that is also 0, 0 upon 0. So this is further 0 upon 0 form. So by L'Hospital rule, this is equal to limit x tending to 0. Again we will take derivative both sides. It is e raised to x minus e raised to minus x plus 2 upon 1 plus x की whole square upon 2, right? Now what is the limit? 1 minus 1, 0. And what is the limit of this function? 2. So it is 2 upon 2, which is 1. So limit of this function is equal to 1. Now next example. We have the function, again we will make use of this formula. Since limit of this function is 1, what will be limit of its square? Sin x square. Okay. One thing you see here, limit of this function is 1. It doesn't mean that sin x upon x की ही limit 1 है. इसका meaning ये है, sin of something which is tending to 0, sin of something which is tending to 0 upon the same thing, right? Sin of something which is tending to 0 upon same thing, its limit is 1. राइट, साइन किसका? वो फंक्शन का जो 0 को अप्रोच कर रहा हो और नीचे डिवीजन में भी वही चीज हो जो साइन के साथ है। तो इस तरह की फंक्शन की जो लिमिट होती है दैट इज 1, राइट। तो यहाँ पे हम ये चीज यूज करेंगे, लिमिट x टेंडिंग टू 0 साइन ऑफ x स्क्वायर अपॉन x स्क्वायर, व्हाट विल बी इट्स लिमिट? As x will approach to 0, x square will also approach to 0. So sine of something which is tending to 0 upon the same thing, right? Its limit will be equal to 1, right? So अगर इसकी लिमिट 1 है, इसके रेसिप्रोकल की भी लिमिट क्या होगी? 1 के बराबर. So now this we can write it as limit x tending to 0 1 minus cos of x square upon x square. x square से ही multiply, x square से ही divide upon sin x square, राइट। इसका फायदा ये रहता है कि जो नीचे वाला डिनोमिनेटर फंक्शन है वो सिंपल हो जाता है, राइट, क्योंकि इसकी जो लिमिट है वो 1 हो जाती है, ये खत्म हो जाता है फंक्शन, राइट। नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज इक्वल टू लिमिट x टेंडिंग टू 0 1 minus cos of x square upon x raised to 4 into 1, right? So now what is the form? 1 minus 1 0 upon 0, 0 upon 0 form. So by L'Hospital rule, this limit is equal to limit x tending to 0 sine of x squared into 2x upon 4x cube. Okay, now what is the limit? Limit x tending to 0, 1 upon 2 sine x squared upon x cube, right? Now what is the limit? Limit of this is 1 by 2 times limit of this, and what is limit of this function? It is 1. So what is limit of this whole function? 1 by 2 into 1, which is 1 by 2. Okay, Anji. Next example is evaluate limit x tending to 0 e raised to x minus e raised to sin x upon x minus sin x, right? तो यहाँ पे भी हम एक ट्रिक यूज करेंगे. यू कैन राइट इट एज ई रेज टू साइन एक्स. अगर आप कॉमन ले लें तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? ई रेज टू एक्स माइनस साइन एक्स, और यहाँ पे क्या बच जाएगा? 1, राइट, अपॉन एक्स माइनस साइन एक्स, राइट. हाँ जी. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस इक्वल टू? लिमिट एक्स टेंडिंग टू 0 ई रेज टू साइन एक्स. लिमिट ऑफ दिस फंक्शन इज लिमिट ऑफ दिस फंक्शन इंटू लिमिट ऑफ दिस फंक्शन. हाँ जी. अब एक और रिजल्ट हमें पता है. लिमिट x टेंडिंग टू 0 e raised to x minus 1 upon x from class +2 that this limit is equal to 1. Again I am repeating that it doesn't mean कि यहाँ पे x ही होना चाहिए, right? This result says that e raised to something which is tending to 0 minus 1 upon same thing. Upon same thing, its limit is 1. Right? E raised to something which is tending to 0 minus 1 upon the same thing, its की जो लिमिट है that is 1. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं it is e raised to something upon same thing, right? तो ये फॉर्म तो है. Now क्या ये something 0 को टेंड करता है as x approaches to 0? Let us see. As x will approach to 0, this will approach to 0, and sine of 0 is also 0, so this will also tend to 0. So 0 minus 0, it is 0. So limit of this is as x approaches to 0 is 0. So this is something which is tending to 0, e raised to something which is tending to 0 minus 1 upon the same thing. So limit of this function is 1 into 1. Now what is limit of this? E raised to 0, which is 1. Okay. So limit of this function is 1. Next example. Evaluate limit x tending to 0 x minus sin x upon 10 cube x. Right? Again we will make use of this formula. Limit x tending to 0 10x upon x. That is 1. Right? So अगर इसकी लिमिट 1 है तो इसके क्यूब की भी लिमिट क्या होगी? इसके क्यूब की भी लिमिट होगी 1. Right? So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं this limit is equal to what? Limit x tending to 0 x minus sin x upon x cube into x cube upon 10 cube x, right? Okay, x cube भी multiply x cube भी divide किया हमने. So what is this? Limit x tending to 0. This limit is 1, so this will be gone. It is limit x minus sin x upon x cube, right? So now you can easily see this is 0 upon 0 form. So by L'Hospital rule, this is equal to limit x tending to 0, 1 minus cos x upon 3x squared. Again you will see this is 0 upon 0 form. So by L'Hospital rule, this is equal to sin x upon 6x. Right? Now what is this? Limit x tending to 0, 1 over 6 sin x upon x. And we know limit of this function is 1. So it is 1 by 6 into 1. So limit is 1 over 6. Okay. Anji, next example is evaluate limit x tending to 0 sin ax upon sin bx. Right? इस function को हम लिख सकते हैं sin ax upon ax into ax, bx upon sin bx upon dx. Right? ax से multiply ax से divide, bx से multiply bx से divide, so that there is no difference in the two functions, right? ऐसा करने से हमें क्या फायदा हुआ? Limit x tending to 0, now x and x will get cancelled, so this is a upon b sin of ax upon ax, bx upon sin bx, right? So again it is the same thing, sine of something which is tending to 0 upon the same thing. So the limit is 1 and this is sine of something which is tending to 0 upon the same thing. ये उस function का reciprocal है. So this is 1 into 1. Limit of this function is 1, limit of this function is 1 and limit of this constant will be a upon b. So what is the limit? A upon b times 1 into 1. So what is the limit of the original function? A upon b. Okay. Next example, we can write this function as limit x tending to 0, 1 upon x times log of 1 plus x, right? और हमें पता है कि n times log of a, it is log of a raised to n by index formula of log. So what is this equal to? Limit x tending to 0, log of 1 plus x raised to 1 over x, right? Again we have a result at limit x tending to 0, 1 plus x raised to 1 over x. इसकी जो limit होती है that is 1 from class plus 2, right? So it is again limit of 1 plus something which is tending to 0 और ऊपर क्या होना चाहिए इस something का reciprocal. तो इस तरह के function की जो limit होती है that is also log. Without log limit is e, with log limit is 1, log of e that is 1. Right? So this is 1. Okay? हाँ जी. Next example is evaluate limit x tending to 1, x raised to x minus x upon x minus 1 minus log x. Right? So you can see what is the form 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus log 1. 0 upon 0 form. Right? So the limit is limit x tending to 1, take logarithm, derivative. x raised to x का डेरिवेटिव हमने किया था उस दिन. It is x raised to x into log of 1 plus log x minus 1, 1 minus 0 minus 1 over x. Right? Now what is the form? As x will approach to 1, this will approach to 1. 1 in plus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So it is further 0 upon 0 form. So by L'Hospital rule, this limit is equal to limit x tending to 1. X raised to x का डेरिवेटिव x raised to x into 1 plus log x plus x raised to x as it is और 1 plus log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 over x upon it is 0 1 over x square. Right? Now what is the limit? 1 1 plus 0 plus 1 upon 1. So it is 2 upon 1 which is equal to 2. So limit of this function is equal to 2. Next example we have evaluate limit x tending to pi by 2 minus x का whole square into sin x into cos square x. Right? तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं we will use the fact इसको इसी फॉर्म का बनाने के लिए there is an observation that you can write cos square x as sine of pi by 2 minus x square. Right? Because sine of pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. ऐसा हमने इसलिए किया है क्योंकि ये और ये सेम हो जाएंगे और इसका फॉर्मूला हमें पता है. What is this? Sine of something which is tending to 0. As x will approach to pi by 2, this will approach to 0. Sine of something, sine pi by 2 minus x upon pi by 2 minus x. What is the limit as x will approach to pi by 2? Sine of something which is tending to 0 upon the same thing. So limit of this function is 1. Right? So अगर इसकी लिमिट 1 है, इसके स्क्वायर की भी लिमिट क्या होगी 1 और इसके स्क्वायर की लिमिट 1 है तो इसकी रेसिप्रोकल की लिमिट भी क्या होगी 1. Right? So limit of this function is 1 times sine limit of sin x as x approach to pi by 2, it is sine pi by 2, it is 1. Right? So limit of the function is 1. हाँ जी. Next example is evaluate limit x tending to 0, a raised to x minus 1 upon b raised to x minus 1. Right? तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं limit x tending to 0, a raised to x minus 1 upon x, x upon b raised to x minus 1. Right? From class plus 2, you know limit of this function. This limit of this function is log of a. Right? So what is the limit of this function? Log of a एंड व्हाट इज लिमिट ऑफ दिस फंक्शन, bx माइनस 1 अपॉन x, इसकी होगी log b और इसके रेसिप्रोकल की लिमिट होगी 1 over log b, therefore limit of this function is log of a upon log of